Hi guys, so I have a swap reveal and this is from the magnificent Jules. And she has some stuff over here for me and some stuff for her swap partner, but she did tell me that this item is the same as what's in here, so I don't have to open it. So thank you, Julie. And so I'm gonna put that to the side and I will open this first, so just so that we know what's inside here. And look, it has my name. Oh my gosh, Julie is just a phenomenal crafter. Like, just, I can't. She's just amazing. Just so amazing. This paper is so beautiful. I do not want to rip it. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And everything Julie makes is like just stunningly gorgeous. And I'm so excited about this treat because if you know anything about me, you know that I love treats from other countries. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so this is proudly Australian and it is by Majans. I don't know if I'm even saying it right. It's funny, it has a 3.5-star health rating, which probably means it's delicious. And it has protein in it. So it's crunchy nibbles, garden peas, peanuts, and juicy sultanas. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so this is for me. Thank you, Julie. Ooh, I love. Alicia has me like hooked on Australian snacks. So now everywhere I go, I'm like, what's like a good snack there? So thank you so much, Julie, for that. And then we have this, which has a little bow on it. It's so cute. It said Lisa too. It's just going everywhere. This little bow is so cute. I mean, why do I say bow? I meant paper clip. How cute is this? It's like a little, it's a wood, like a wood veneer. And let's see what we have inside here. In here, that says Lisa. I said I didn't want to rip this paper, but then I did. It was attached. I had to. Oh man, am I ever prepared? Never. Okay, wait, let's see. All right, we're gonna just try to make this work. We're gonna try to make this work. Okay, so something in here. Let's see what's in here. It looks like some kind of a goodie. Oh my gosh. Oh, me and my party hats. Oh, this is, so it says, I thought these Rosie Studio stickers would go well with Vivalin. I hope you enjoy them. Oh, I think this is actually, I wonder if this is for Michelle. I'm gonna check with Julie because I'll send it to her because it's a lot cheaper for her. But anyway, I'll show it to you anyway. But it's these really cute puffy stickers and these party hats. Party hats are the most fun. These are so pretty. Okay, so let's put that to the side. So we'll get clarification on that in a second. And then this. Okay, yeah, so I think that's what happened. She wrapped it, and that happens to me too sometimes. And I wrap stuff, and then I'm like, oh, and I put it on here by accident. But I think the other thing was supposed to be on top of here. And then this is, okay, so this is what's gonna match what's in the Swap Partners item, this other item here too. And if that's for Michelle, I will send it to her, Julie, just let me know. I'm actually gonna message you anyway. And actually, now that I'm thinking, I might just edit that out of the video. Okay, so this is, oh, these are some crafty goodies. So look, we have chipboard. I love chipboard. So this is some travel cardabella. It's called Our Travel Adventure by Stephen Duncan. And look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, look at the little passport. I love. And some Rosie Studios, which Rosie Studios, I believe, is a New Zealand company. Oh my gosh, the prettiest stuff ever. And here, these are some crafty goodies. And how cute are they? This paper is just so pretty too. So we have these little puffy stickers that are rainbows. This, which is so cute. I've seen this collection before, You Make My Day, and it has all of the crafty things. These glitter alphas that are so pretty, and it's double-sided. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then this. We love, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Julie, for my crafty goodies. Thank you. I don't think I have any of these. I might have this, maybe, but I'm not even sure. But you know I love puffy stickers, so that is no problem. I love that. Thank you so much, Julie. And it came all the way from Australia. And then now onto her swap. Okay, so she has this gorgeous, this is a brooch, you guys. Look how pretty this is. Of an airplane. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let me see if I can untie this bow. Can I? Oh no, did she make it super duper mega easy for me? Because I'm like challenged? Let's see here. No. No. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I'm trying to, it's not just like untying easily. So we might have to, okay, let me take this off because maybe this is the key to getting this apart. So we'll take off the brooch, but we will put it back. Oh yeah, I think that was a, yeah, okay. Here we go. It was never gonna work until we took that off. It was like a puzzle. So I will put that back together, easy peasy. And this is her beautiful box. So, 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 so pretty. Okay, wait, let me see here. Oh, there's a dangle under here, guys. Let's take this out. And look how stinking pretty this is. Okay. So of course, you know, like everything always gets a little something in the mail. So I'll fix this up. But look how pretty this is, you guys. Look at the tickets. Adorable. Her swap even smells good. So random fun fact. Okay, so look at this ephemera right here. And then look how pretty this is. We have these little flowers. Oh, the bling that's on top. So pretty. It says Happy Travels. Is that the name of the collection? And this bow on top of here is so pretty. Look at the hot air balloon. There's just so much. She's stitched. I had high hopes of doing that. It didn't happen. But she stitched her straps here. And she even like zigzag stitched all around. And that is a lot of time and energy. So we thank you so much for that. Look at the dangle here. Let me show you this. So look how cute this is. She has a super, super thick tag. And she made all of these, it has all these cute charms on them. So let's get a close-up of these charms. They're adorable. So we have this one, which is To Travel is to Live. I have this charm. I love it. This little pink bow. This insects camera. Adorable. Oh, man. And then this little cloud. This airplane, a bead, and a pinwheel. Oh, my gosh. So cute. All these little travel charms. I love those. And then if we open this up, oh, wow, look at the top. She even decorated the top of this that says Always Exploring. Do you see that? So pretty. The paper on the inside is so pretty too. And look how she like took so much care to like make sure that this was packaged so nicely. Oh man, looky here. Okay, so we have a bunch of stuff. Oh, I didn't show you the back of this, which is like little binoculars. How cute. Okay, so we have our decorated die cuts. And she put a little bow clip with this cute little lock that's in the heart shaped. And I know there's a location where they do a lot of heart shaped locks. I actually went to Napa recently, and I was at a place and they had a lot of those kind of heart shaped lockets. And we went on the wine train. But anyway, okay, so here we have some decorated die cuts. And we have this tag, which is beautiful, and it says Happy Travels. And it has all of these pretty like beads on here. They're flatback pearl beads, and they're like iridescent. And so pretty, all of these touches. These flowers are adorable. Oh my gosh, and look, the tag is double-sided. We have this other tag here that says Wander. I love, I love, I love. Look how pretty this is. Look at this. This is such a cute collection. Is this, I don't think this is Smiles for Miles. What collection is this? It is so pretty. Oh man, I love it. And then look at this tag. Oh my gosh, it says, Let's Get Lost. So pretty. And look, she even die cut like some mesh and put it on top of this paper, and it looks so good. Look at, this is a cruise ship in the background here. Oh my goodness, you guys, take a look at this. Look at this little airplane. There's so much to look at here. So many layers. These tags are super. So this is Smiles for Miles. Is this whole collection Smiles for Miles? I haven't used it yet, but I do have it because this paper is definitely from there. And that would explain why it is so stinking pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. And then look, she made a little hotel keychain and she put some chipboard on it. Oh my gosh, so cute. So look here, she layered it up. So it's white. And she put these little ephemera pieces on the back. And then look at this, she like layered this all up with chipboard and this dragonfly, this pretty little bling dot here that has like some gold leaf on it. Oh my goodness, she die cut like these, this white suitcase, which looks so good with this. There's vellum pieces here. I mean, so much to look at. So, so pretty. Oh my goodness. And it came in this really pretty bag. And I do want to put it back because I don't want to forget how it came packaged. This came all the way from Australia and everything came so good. So I don't want to mess it up. It's like it would be a shame if it came all the way here and then I messed it up after it got here. That would be such a shame. I don't want that to happen. So let me put this back carefully. Okay, and then we have some more goodies in here. So we have this, which is actually a pen that she decorated everything. So this is just like a clip. Look how cute that is. And she just clipped it on there and it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, this pen, you guys. Look at this pen. That flower is everything. So pretty, the little fluffy. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty pen. So that's her beaded item. And then look at this little paper clip that she made. It has this little hanging bow and this airplane on it. And she basically embellished a paper clip and put like this pretty chipboard piece of luggage from the collection. So cute. And these flowers. And this one, I'm gonna fix that. I might put a little more glue on there before I send it out since it doesn't want to stay. And look how pretty. And she just like clipped it on there and it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It is literally perfect. I need to do more paperclip projects. I mean, I have so many paper clips. Don't we all have so many paper clips? And then you get the perfect opportunity to use them. She even put beads on hers. So nice. I love that. And then we have a memory deck that is stunningly gorgeous. Okay, good. She covered up her address. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, you guys. I want to open this because there are so many like shiny elements that sometimes the bag like, you know, fights with, and I don't want that to happen. So first of all, let's talk about how she decorated the back of her memory decks. Let's talk about that. Look at her info. And then also look at this, you guys. So pretty. This is a foam. This is from the foam pad. She has all of this greenery that some of it is pink and not green. And all of these like layered items, the mesh, another mesh on top. She has another stamp die underneath here. And I'm telling you guys, this smells good. Her like swap smells like perfume, honestly. This little bike is so pretty. Oh my goodness, Julie, you just did just a fantastic job as usual. This is such a pretty memory deck. Like this is gonna look so pretty in someone's memory decks holder. Oh my goodness gracious. It is just so pretty. I love it so much. Everything Julie makes is just out of this world. She has such a unique and distinct crafting style. Like she has so many like layers, attention to detail. I just love getting things from her. Oh my gosh, it's like such a treat. And I'm gonna save this book for last because oh my gosh. So here are her shakers. Oh my gosh, this shaker is so cute. It's a big luggage. Oh my gosh, it's a piece of luggage. And then this is a Michael's bow. This is the Michael's bow that I'm obsessed with, and Julie has all the way in Australia. Amazing. And then this is the Smiles for Miles. This is such a pretty collection. It looks so pretty. Man, it makes me want to use it. Look at this cute SPF. You guys, and look at the back. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So let's open it. Let's open it because it's looking a little cloudy through the bag. So let's get it in all its glory. Yeah, look at this. How pretty is that? Look how she even added a bow to the hat ephemera. So pretty. And I love how her shaker has mesh. Instead of acetate, she used mesh. And then over here also, look at this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at the little bow. Oh my goodness, guys. Even the paper is like embossed and debossed on this side. Look at these little sequins. These sequins are like flowers on the inside in the shaker, and they go so well because she left a little bit of space so they still shake even though they're bigger. This is beautiful. Wow, these shakers are gorgeous, Julie. Bravo. Oh gosh, I'm gonna put these back in because we know that I will forget how they came, and then I'll be sad because I want you to have the same experience that I had. These bag toppers are just so stinking cute. OMG, I love this blue bag that you put them into. And look, she actually did an extra bag topper. So look how cute these are. And I love that they're vertical. This one is vertical and these are horizontal. Look how pretty. This one could be vertical too, but it says the plan. So cute, best ever. And this one says, let's go. And she used all kinds of, like, this has vellum, and it has, sorry guys for the noise. It has vellum, it has foam, it has all the things, all these goodies here. So pretty. And then look at the back. And this one actually is a paper clip. So this, your little extra is a paper clip. So it doesn't even have to be used as a bag topper. Neither, really, you could add a paper clip to that, and that doesn't, those don't have to be used as bag toppers either. So she did give you like a little extra in there. And then you guys, we have this book that she somehow managed to fit in here. Sorry, my husband is making so much noise. So also we have this here. Look at this dangle. OMG. Okay, so we have a book and this little puffy thing here. So cute. Oh my gosh, this is an airplane. It says, take me far away. How pretty. This one says, fly to you, far away. These are so, oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Look at the stamp. Oh, and she put a little tassel on here too. And then look at this. Look at this bow on here. This keeps it, the whole thing together. Oh, okay, let me open this so we can just study this book. This is a masterclass in layering. You guys, look, another one of those brooches. Oh, there's a shaker behind here. Just so pretty. I love this book die. I think this is a KS Craft die. And she just did such a great job. Adventure story, so pretty. The shaker mix, the flowers, everything is just perfect. Even this little layering piece right here. And look at the back. I love that it has the rose gold foil in this collection. The Smiles for Miles, the Viva Land. And look, this is your crafty essential gift. Look how pretty she gave you these luggage tags. Oh man, this is such a great gift. Oh wow, that honestly is something that I was thinking about because I just got back from a trip and I did not have these on mine, and sometimes we had to like double check the name to make sure something was ours. And what a pretty way to package this, Julie. Oh my gosh, Julie, thank you so much for joining another one of my swaps. It is always such a treat to get something from you all the way from Australia. And this is something that I love so much about the crafty community, because prior to doing this, I had never ever received anything, and now I've received a handful of packages from other countries, and it is just so amazing. It makes the world just feel so much smaller, and I just love that so much. So I'm gonna put all of this back together and make this so pretty for your swap partner, Julie, who is gonna be so excited when they find out that they're getting your swap. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Julie does have an Instagram, which I will put. She does not have a YouTube channel, unfortunately, but she does a lot of videos on her Instagram. So go and check her out over there and show her some crafty love. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.